And so therefore, I think we're going to see a more mainstreaming of EV over time, as long as the infrastructure keeps being built and the demand stays there. And I think that it'll be interesting to see what happens when some of these incentives are removed. And I do believe that there's enough people out there going, it's a better car to drive. Look at your, cost of ownership, the fact that, all these things that like one person's just telling their friend, like, dude, it's just a freaking better car to drive. It's, and it's a better thing to own that I think that there's enough traction now to where it's going to continue forward.
That's what I was kind of thinking about was, I mean, even thinking about this whole process of adoption of EVs, I almost went immediately back to that Ford time. It's like cars then became a little bit easier to, I mean, they became more accessible, kind of bottom up strategy. Like, let's give everybody a car and then build the infrastructure, and then everybody will have a gas station. But you still had to plan your trips. Car design had to be in a way where people were attracted to the new thing. I think over the last 30 years, cars are just utilities at this point. They're boxes with wheels, and we go from point A to point B. But I think what EV is kind of enabled is almost this new industrial revolution of whether it be car design, infrastructure, motor design, everything is changing. Um, when do you think that? When do you guys think it's going to stabilize? I think is the better question because you do have the infrastructure and you have the demand, but like, are we like 20 years to when everyone's like, oh yeah, pull into everything, or is it like a future we see soon?